Today's video is the beginning of Chapter 5, 1B, Words to Expressions and Evaluating. So we're going to have words in this column, and we're going to change it into a math problem in this column. Before we do that, let's do a little review of common words and what they mean in math. All right, so if we had the words more than, so maybe the question was 5 more than a number. We would write 5 more than a number. The 5 would go in the back and the X would go in the front. 5 plus a number. 5 plus a number. 5 would go in the front. 6 less than a number. 6 less than a number. The 6 goes in the back. 6 minus a number, the 6 goes in the front. Twice a number, multiply by 2. 4 times a number, smush the 4 in the X. So those are some common math words: more than, plus, less than, minus, maybe twice or times or product. We didn't do division. Division would just say divided by. So let's do an actual example. Pick up your pencil, write down example 1. Okay, so you're going to write down 4 more cats than half as many as Betty has. So we've got 2 key words in this. We've got more and we've got half. 4 more cats than half as many as Betty has. 4 more, the 4 goes in the back. 4 more than half. Now I could write it as 1/2 X. I could also write it as X over 2. 4 more than half of whatever Betty has. If you ever need to pause the video because I'm writing too fast, then just do that, hit pause, and then you can catch back up on the notes. All right, let's do, the next one is going to be the number of pencils divided equally amongst 4 friends. Okay, pause the video for sure on this one because I'd like you to try writing what you think the math problem looks like over here. All right, you should have written X over 4 or X dot dot division 4. The number of pencils is X. We're dividing it amongst 4 friends. Okay, example 3. Bob has 6 books and gets 3 books from each of his friends. Bob has 6 books and gets 3 books from each of his friends. What would that look like as an algebraic expression? Pause it, take your best guess, and then see if you're right. If he has 6 and we're getting more, that sounds like plus. I would not be upset if you put the 6 in the back. He gets 3 books from each of his friends, but we don't know how many friends he has. So that means 3 is multiplied by our variable. 6 plus 3x or 3x plus 6, both of those are great. All right, now it's time to type in your guesses. 40 pencils less than 3 times the number of pencils in the box. What is that going to look like? $40 less than 3 times the number in the box. What's this one going to look like? 8 times as many people. It's going to be 8 smushed with x. You can have any variable you want. I'm just picking x.